Hello, friends. So today we are going to talk about Gantt chart. So what is Gantt chart? It is basically a research or a project plan where you're describing the sequence of events right from the start till the end. So there are many softwares where you can create a Gantt chart, but I think it can be easily done on an Excel sheet, and that is what I'm going to show you today, how that is done. So I did a Gantt chart using the Excel sheet on one of my project where I've applied for funding. So again, this creates a very good impression, when you're presenting your proposal, where you are very clear in your mind what exactly you want to do, and this is a nice way to demonstrate that. So in the Excel sheet, you include the activity and the start month and the duration. So I've kind of divided this into phases. So the phase one is study setup, where you're doing the study protocol, how long it will take for you to work towards your study or complete your study protocol. So the start month is that your first month you are working on that, and it will take you a couple of months. Then the approvals required, whether it is the ethics approval or any other approval, depending on your study. Then, when are you going to do that and how long that will take. Then comes the data management and the safety monitoring planning, where now you've whilst you're awaiting your ethics approval, then you start preparing on your consent form, the participant information sheet or the participant demographic information sheet. I've done separate videos on that, so you can have a look. And so this is the time where you would do all that. So you can say that when are you potentially going to start and how long that will take for you. And then the staff recruitment, once you've done your proposal, you will get an idea of how long it will take for you to like how many what kind of resources you need, the staff or any equipments or instruments. So that is where you would start either buying these equipments or recruiting staff for your particular study. So that is your phase one. Then phase two is the study in itself, where you will start recruiting your participants, and when are you going to start that, all the screening and how long that may take, and then the intervention in itself, when are you potentially going to start and how long that will take for you. So that is your second phase. Then comes the phase of data analysis, where you've collected the data and you've started analyzing the data. So you may potentially start that on say your month 30, for example, and how long that will take for you. Now this includes data analysis and writing the report as well simultaneously. And then the study closeout, where you've completed all the study, you've done all the checks, you've done your report, and now you're planning to disseminate the report, whether it is you've submitted for publication, or you're sharing this with the stakeholders, or the participants involved. So this is your phase. So this is the entire project plan. And now you've done this descriptively. Now how can you convert this into a chart? So what you can do is you can copy this and then click on insert, click on bar, and then you can click on this, and this is what you will get. So this is a nice chart where it shows a graphical presentation of your studies set up to the study closeout. It is what we've already mentioned, but it is in the form of a bar chart. And now what you can do is you can just copy this and then paste it in your application, and this could be a very nice Gantt chart for you. So this shows that how organized you are. You have already planned things in your head, in your mind, and this is what you're going to do. So this creates a very good impression, whoever is assessing this. So I hope this was useful. It was a brief overview of how to do a Gantt chart on an Excel sheet, which is very cost effective and very convenient. So I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.